A common weakness that I see in many sound designers' arsenals is synthesis. So plenty of people know how to work with samples, record stuff, and kind of mangle it. But working with synthesizers can be really tough for some people because, frankly, a lot of them are really intimidating. But honestly, a lot of synthesizers are the same as one another, or at least work in very similar ways. So what I recommend for all of you, my favorite resource, is Syntorial. And I have no affiliation with them, I don't know them at all, but Syntorial is basically an app that walks you through how subtractive synthesis works from start to very advanced, and trains your ear to be able to design sounds from scratch, knowing what each of those knobs do. And if you go through something like this, you'll start to understand how most synthesizers work and be able to take that knowledge basically anywhere. So that's my recommendation, but I'm sure there are plenty of other resources out there. I'll also post a few links in the description below. So if you enjoyed that game audio FAQ, please make sure to subscribe and click the little bell so you get notified, literally what every other YouTuber on the planet tells you to do. And also sign up for my newsletter where I give you access to 2 free courses that'll teach you how to work, negotiate, network, and get paid in the game industry.